Guys, we got a train coming. Over there. Oh my god. It's going to caboose. It's going to caboose. It's going to caboose. It's going to caboose. I'm running out of breath. He's coming slow, by the way. My heart's racing. My heart's racing. Like, my horn ready. Hold on. No little kids here. Alright, but let's do this, well, hopefully. Here comes Union Pacific with BNSF Long AutoRack Train cars, AutoRack cars. Yeah, that's why that says no train horn. Because of people complaining. People are going complaining about the train horn, about those trains. Not this one, but that they honk like a lot of times. And now so yeah, there it goes. And we just watched the train pass by. Just give me a moment. All right. Look how long this is. Yeah, look how long this is. All the back cars. Oh, it's already finishing. Look, it's already ending. Not quick. And another thing is that the train horn here is my Milwaukee right here. Yeah, so 1, 2, and 3, 4 of these horns right here. So I don't know why a train is not gonna. This train won't even like honk back at me when I went like beep beep beep, or like 6 times I think. Fire. Oh. Let's back down. Yeah, it looks like it's already ending. Look at the noise. There it goes. FedEx right there. There was one train. Hopefully there should be more to go. There it goes.